Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about lit versus var. So, last time we talked about global versus local scope. So, this is one of the problems we encountered the most. I hint you earlier that var is also in a way to make make JavaScript variables like x equals 1, and when we do like log it on a console x, what's gonna happen is, so let's do the same kind of things like lit. But now you're gonna ask, why we then use lit if we have var? So what we're gonna do is, let me show you what is the problem with var. If we make a for loop, keep in mind this is just one of the examples, not all. So if we do var I equals 0 and I is greater than 5, comma, sorry about that, I plus plus. So if we log it on a console, var log it on a console I, so what's gonna happen, it will show up to 4. Yeah, that's usual. But after that, if we console again that var, so what's gonna happen, what happened to our variable, man? If we like do here like let, it not gonna happen. See, uncaught error. So it makes a global variable, which is a bit of a pain if you understand that. Not only this, there are many examples of this, and there are I mean, when we do like let, it is lead to just local, and it led to a global, which is a bit of a stretch. And then what we're gonna do is show you a browser problem. So we're gonna do var color red and let age equals 18. So what's gonna happen is, you can see there is an object called window. If you are using front end, you need to use a lot of times. So, and if you put like color, you're gonna get that object. So this is a big problem. And when we do with window dot age, we get nothing, because there is no such thing in so this is what problem in our in with VAS. If you're using like third-party libraries like Vue, there is objects already present in that window.color. So if we do that, what's gonna happen, it will override that. So and then you can't use that library anymore, or you can use that, but not in a proper way. So I will suggest you to use let instead of var. And there is one more thing, the const. You can also use const. It would be a good practice too. This is not a big deal. And in the past, there is only var, only the way to clarify a variable, but from ES6 you can use const and let. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.